Alright, we're going to do a walk around video here on a 2017 Chevy Silverado. We're going to do this video to point out any flaws or negatives on the vehicle whatsoever so that there's no surprises to any of our out-of-state buyers. So we're going to start with the front bumper here. Front bumper's in real good shape. No major flaws there. Headlight looks good. Grille looks real good. Second headlight looks fantastic as well. Front hood, a couple little tiny chips here and there, but no major scratches, dents, or dings up on the hood either. Front fender, no scratches, dents, or dings. Front wheel, gorgeous looking rims, no curb rash, and tires I want to say are probably a good 85%, close to new. Side view mirror looks great. Driver door looks great, no scratches, dents, or dings. Rear door on the driver's side looks fantastic also. Handles look real good. Rear quarter panel or the bed, excellent condition. Rear wheel, no curb rash. Great looking set of matching tires. Rear bumper. Bumper's in real good shape. Does have the tow hitch. Tail lights look good. You got a couple scratches right here. Second tail light looks real good. It does have the bed cover on it. Oh, hang on a second. Hey, well there you go, we're live here. All right, bed liner looks good. You got some scratches, does have a setup for a fifth wheel if you need it. Talked to the previous owner, he pulled his camper with this. Rear quarter panel on the passenger side looks fantastic. Rear wheel looks great also. Again, these are matching rims and tires. Rear door on the passenger side looks great. You got a little scuff here that might buff out. Same thing here and here. Passenger door looks great. Side view mirror looks excellent. Another little scratch right there. Glass all looks real good. There's no stars, no bursts, no cracks. I'm gonna check out the inside of this baby now. Driver door looks great. Buttons are in excellent condition. Entrance rocker panel looks good. Seats are in great shape. This is just from the rain. I'm getting a little drizzle at the moment, but no cuts, no tears. Dashboard looks fantastic. Four-wheel drive mechanisms. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell.
A difference. Through there, good news.
Okay, no warning lights on the dash.
Did you know that you can get different milk delivered straight to your home? Go to VeggieRefresh.com. Once again, that is VeggieRefresh.com.
Headliner's in great shape. There's no cigarette burn holes, there's no cuts, no tears. Everything looks real good. Let's take a look under the hood. Okay, there's a shot of your engine.